Google has just updated its image generator Nano Banana 2, and right now, it's causing a huge wave in the AI image world. The image quality is extremely sharp, the visuals look more polished, and it now supports multiple aspect ratios for different types of content. But there's a catch. If you want to try Nano Banana 2 inside Google AI Studio, you need a paid API key. And if you attempt to use it through the Gemini website, you must have a Gemini Pro subscription. In this video, I am going to show you 2 completely free ways to access Nano Banana 2 without paying for an API key and without upgrading to a Gemini Pro plan. At the end of this video, I will show you how to generate consistent story images in bulk. Instead of typing prompts again and again, you can paste them once, and the system will automatically generate all the images and save them directly to your computer. The best part is that this process works with a simple, free Chrome extension that allows you to generate and download bulk images automatically. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. The first way to access this tool is through the LM Arena website. Simply click the link given in the description, and you will be directed to this page. From the top, choose the direct chat option. Then select the image option from the bottom. Here you can see a bunch of the latest image generators. By scrolling down a little, you will find the Gemini Flash 3.1 model, which is actually the Nano Banana 2 model from Google. To test this model, I have pasted a text prompt to generate a close-up image of a young girl with short brown hair, turning her head suddenly as if hearing something, a worried expression on her face, wind-blowing strands of hair across her face, warm sunset light illuminating her features, a red jacket collar moving in the breeze, and a slightly blurred ocean horizon with a glowing sky in the background, in Ghibli style, with a landscape aspect ratio. Simply click on this button to generate the image. And here we have the output image. This image looks impressive. The character details, image style, and scene description are perfectly followed. Let's test another text prompt to generate a medium shot of a brave 13-year-old girl standing near a high ocean cliff, looking toward the endless horizon, her short brown hair moving in the wind, a red jacket fluttering, a glowing sunset sky reflecting on the ocean waves below, creating a peaceful yet dramatic atmosphere in Studio Ghibli-inspired anime style. And here, we have another amazing result generated with this model. So, you can try this website for free image generation. On the other hand, Google itself is allowing free image generation in Flow. Simply head over to the Flow website and click on Create by linking your Gmail account. As a free user, you get 150 daily credits for video generation, but image generation is absolutely free for now. Simply click on the New Project button. By clicking here, you can see the credit consumption for video and image generation. You can generate up to 4 images per generation with 0 credits. And the best part is that you can choose any of the Nano Banana models for image generation. Let's choose the latest Nano Banana 2 model. I have pasted this text prompt to generate an image of a young girl carefully climbing down a steep ocean cliff using hanging vines and rough stones, with ocean mist rising from the crashing waves below. A dramatic sunset sky glowing orange and pink, wind blowing her red jacket and short hair, and the vast ocean stretching to the horizon in an anime Ghibli fantasy style. And here we have the amazing result from this prompt. The character as well as the scene description is perfectly followed. Here we also have another amazing image of a 12-year-old girl with freckles and a brown ponytail reacting to a distant orange wildfire glow reflected in her eyes, subtle fear turning into determination, a red scarf moving in the wind, and a golden retriever barking beside her in a 3D Pixar style. You can download your images in 2K resolution for free. Now, let's automate this image generation process by simply searching for the Auto Whisk extension on Google. Click on the first link and install this free Chrome extension. Once installed, click on this button and the extension will open on the right side. This extension is basically for Whisk images, but you can use it here as well. Simply click on the first option, and you will see the dashboard, where you can paste the prompts, and your images will be automatically downloaded to the Whisk download folder. As a quick showcase, here in ChatGPT, I have generated some prompts for a complete story in 3D Pixar animation style. Copy all the prompts at once and paste them here. select the landscape aspect ratio and specify the number of output images. Then click on the Start button and relax. All your images will be automatically generated and downloaded into the respective folder. And here we have all the story images in one place, arranged in perfect order. In my upcoming videos, we will explore the bulk video generation option as well. So, you can take advantage of these free resources to generate some amazing results. What do you think about this model? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.